Okay, today I want to talk about the fundamentals of drawings. A lot of my students struggle with this concept. In EGD, we've got two types of drawings. We've got first angle and we've got third angle drawings. Now, normally in the content, all the civil drawings, everything that we do is in first angle. All your mechanical drawings, cams, helixes, all that kind of stuff, isometric drawings are all in third angle. Now the principle, just to quickly go through it, if I draw my layouts, in first angle we get front view, top view, and a left view. Alright. Third angle is the only one that's actually where it's supposed to be. Top is at the top, front, and a right view. Right, now what you can see is that your top and your front are always in line vertically on both views, and your front and your side views are always next to each other. Right, so this is the basic layout. Now you can get in a first angle a right view, and you can get in your third angle a left view. It all depends on where your top and your front is. Okay, now bringing that into isometric drawings, if we draw an isometric drawing, I'm creating two little freehand isometric blocks. Right? If I draw this in a 3D space, let's say I've only got my initial front view, top view and left view, and over here only my third angle view. If the drawing does not specify where the starting points are, in my first angle, in my three-dimensional block, which one of these three is my top view? Okay, which side of the block is top? And there you go, your top view is always on top. Now, by default, I'm working with a left view. Now, what side of this 3D block is left? That's my left view. And the one that remains will be your front view. Now please, this is only if they haven't specified the starting point of your drawing. Same with third angle. Top, which side of my block is top? There's my top. Right? What view am I working with normally in a third angle? A right view. Which side of this block is right? And then what remains is front. Right, that's just a basic layout. And if you can get this under your belt, you've got no problems for it. If you mess this up, if you change the views, place the ones on the wrong side, you will struggle and you will lose a lot of marks in the test. So please make sure you understand this and you memorize it. All right.